If you ever considered a career in the mortgage industry and you didn't know where to start, even if you are a mortgage processor or a mortgage loan officer and you want to take your career to the next level, this guidebook is for you. It will set a great foundation and help you to discover the things that is needed to be done to start your own business in the mortgage industry. Hi, my name is Cynthia Kabaka of Kabaka Financial Group. I own my own mortgage company. I am the broker, and I love, love, love my job. I started out in sales in 1992 with All American Mortgage, and it was a dream. It was a dream because I love helping people. I love giving people advice on what to do or not to do. And I love, 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 love to see the smile on people's face when they purchase their own home or when they are about to embark on the journey and they need a good experience. That's me. I love giving a great experience because the mortgage process can be complicated. And a lot of times people want to avoid, getting a mortgage because they don't want to be sent through all the trouble that it takes or what they think it takes to get a mortgage loan. But when you have caring people, knowledgeable people, and people that operate in integrity, you give out the best. I mean, the best customer service. And your clients will love you. Your clients will refer you because you have done such an excellent job. My thing I love to do the most is to help people to become financial free and to build wealth in real estate, not just only by purchasing residential property such as a single family mortgage, a single family home. I just don't stop right there. Yes, purchase your single family home, but don't let it be your dream home. Don't let it be the one and only home. No, get you a starter home. If you're new and you want to purchase a home, get you a starter home and let it start right there. And then move a year later and get you another property and just continue that until you have built a portfolio in mortgage. Or my favorite, get a multifamily. That's where it's at. That's where you make money. That's where you become financial free. You get a multifamily residence where at least you have 2 to 4 units. You rent out one unit and you live in the next unit. Yes. And you make money. You use the income from the other units to pay your mortgage, to pay whatever bills that's needed to be paid. Now that's my expertise, is DSCR loans and multifamily. I love that. Although I do residential as well. But I just love to show people how to not just purchase a home, but purchase a home and let it have an advantage for you. And so with that being said, there are not a lot of women that are mortgage brokers. No, it is not. It's just a handful of us. And so I want to encourage a mortgage loan officer woman that wants to up her game, up her career, and know this industry in and out. Become a mortgage broker. I want to encourage a underwriter or a mortgage processor who been doing this for years like me. I started out, like I said before, in 1992 as a sales. And in sales, we didn't have processors and all of that. We had to do everything ourselves. And that's really what taught me the ins and out of mortgage, because I had to work my own files, do my own deals, structure them, do the cold calling and everything. But today in this digital world, we barely have anything to do but to call the customers and structure our loan and make sure everything is okay. But other than that, the technology have grown tremendously, and therefore leads us to a greater advantage. And for, again, women, I need you to come and elevate your game. I know it may seem hard, it may seem difficult, but if you've been a processor, I was a processor for at least 10 years, a senior processor for at least 10 years, traveling throughout the United States, working for Fortune 500 companies. Yes. And baby, I had a ball doing it. But the great diversity that I experienced is bar none. It changed my life. And to see how different lenders worked and how they processed and how they underwrote and how they did things was incredible. Also, with the men, I got a chance to learn and see how the men saw us and saw mortgage in a different way, a different light. And men a little bit more hardcore and like straightforward and straight to the money, whereas women, we're more compassionate, we're more softer, and therefore we make, to me, better mortgage brokers. And so even if you have no idea about the mortgage industry, but you want to get into it and you never did a mortgage, you don't own a home or anything, this guy is still a great foundation for you. Even if you thinking about becoming a mortgage loan officer on the side for a side hustle or part-time or anything like that, or a realtor, if you are thinking about becoming a real estate agent, this guide is for you, women. It is for you. This will help give you the great foundation that you need for this industry, whether you purchase your own mortgage brokerage company or not. It is a wonderful foundation coming from a person who's been in this industry for 15 plus years. Yes, I know 1992 is 30, but I did come out of the business, the industry for a couple of years here and there. So that's why I say 15 plus years. I know it may seem hard, like, what about compliance? What about this? What about fraud? What about money laundering? What about employees? What about this? What about money? How you started? Technically, I tell you this. If you have mortgage experience in processing for years, underwriting or sales, you can start with no money. Yes, I said it. You can start with little, well, I ain't gonna say no money, little to no money. And the reason why I say little money is because you have to pay for your state and MLS business license. You have to pay for your corporation license. You have to pay for your good standing, things like that. But they don't cost that much to do it. Only thing that's going to cost the most is when you go through in MLS to get your licensing, your mortgage license. It's the difference between your business license and your mortgage license. When you get your mortgage license through the NMLS company, that's going to cost a little bit depending on the state that you live in. Some states are higher than the other. So always keep that in mind. And then you need to get approved by a lender. Most lenders, now check this out, most lenders will allow you to write a letter as to why you don't have the $15,000 in your account to start the business. And some of them can get, especially when you have been in the industry and your resume is tight, like you've been in it for years, there are some lenders that will allow you to have the $15,000 that you would need in your bank account, and that's only for security. You don't take it out and pay it to anyone. You just use that for security purposes, and they will waive that. Yes, they will. I'm going to do a part 2 so that I could give you all some more great information.